So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab, and the first thing is that if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now open the console incognito window. Now here if you get any kind of pop-up, click on I agree and continue. I understand. Once the lab is open, copy the API name from basically setup section. On the search box, type it and just click on the marketplace API. Now the first thing is that we have to enable this API, okay, so that we can work on our agent. Now here it's enabling, it may take some time, so wait for it. So finally API has been enabled. Now come over here, task 1, open incognito window. Now here basically we have to create an AI agent. So for that you have to just come over here and just click on this. Okay, just click on it. Once you see the check mark, the page will refresh itself. Do not do anything. Now here it's again refreshing. Just click on create agent, build on your own. For the name, first of all check the score for this task. Now for the name, just select the name carefully, and location will be global as they have mentioned in the lab. Okay, now here we don't have to modify anything, simply click on create. Okay, and do not worry, you'll get full score on this lab. Just follow the way I am doing, and many of you are facing issues like finding settings. Do not worry, each and everything will be covered. Now here we have to do one setting. Okay, click on this three dots, settings, scroll down a bit, and you have to enable these two, cloud logging and conversation history. Okay, both things you need to enable. They have mentioned in number 6, you can see here. Now just save it. Now in the description box I've shared this file. You have to download it to your local system just by clicking on download option. Now we have to restore the agent. Click on